Yes, it's another hot day. It's beautiful here in the UK right now. Yeah, man. My name's Anthony Allen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen Edits, the YouTube channel that is all about your video editing hints, tips and tricks, and other editing hints, tips and tricks as well. So it's a really good reason to hit the subscribe button, because I'm teaching you some things that you might not find anywhere else, guys. I'm teaching you the secrets, I'm teaching you trade secrets, I'm teaching you things that I use and have used with paid clients, all that sort of stuff, as well as free video editing software. Like today, I'm teaching you how to edit on your iPhone. This is my iPhone. I'm about to teach you how to edit using Imovie here today. Let's get into it. So I will be teaching you just a few of the basics of how to get started editing using your iPhone, and the application that we're going to use is iMovie. So without further ado, I'm going to start it up on my phone. I'm going to be recording my phone screen. I'm going to click record now. It's going to count me down, and what we're going to be doing, as I said, is I'm going to be editing some clips using my iPhone. Okay, so I'm on my iPhone now. I'm just going to hit iMovie. So this is the icon for iMovie right there. Should be showing you on screen now. I'm just going to click that. That should open up iMovie. Now you can see that I've got a project that I've already started. Any project that you've actually created beforehand will populate on the first screen that you see. But what we're going to do is we're going to click the plus sign on the left hand side next to the movie that I've already created. Now you have a choice here. You have a choice to make a movie, which is a combination of videos, photos and music, to make your own movie basically. Then you have a trailer where you follow a template to create a Hollywood style film trailer. Now iMovie has this function built in no matter on what device you're using iMovie on. You will have a trailer function where basically they give you some parameters that you cannot change, and you can basically pick different templates and change the transitions in a way and just basically insert your clips into that template. That's not what we're doing here. We want to go through the basics of video editing on your iPhone for those of you who want to, get started on YouTube and that sort of stuff as well, or edit your videos for YouTube and so on. So that's what we're going for. So we're going to go for movie. So I've selected movie now. At this point, it's giving you the option of selecting videos from your photos. I want to go to the newest photos that I've got right now. That's gone all the way. Yep, here we go. Wait, what's going on here? So basically you want to select the videos and pictures. Now there's some personal pictures here, so I will be blurring parts of this out. But at this point what you want to do is see if I can show you now. Yep, so I don't have to blur anything here. These are 3 of the clips that I've just selected. You just basically use your thumbing, select your clips, just basically like selecting something from your camera roll, and then from there you want to click on create movie, which is at the bottom of the screen, that blue icon right there. So now I have my clips already in my timeline that I can mess around with, and a few transitions in between each clip, which is absolutely brilliant, especially if you're filming on your mobile phone and you're just literally inserting things, because then you can just trim them down, or you can add what you need to add. Now there's a plus button on the left hand side here. I'm going to click that and show you what it does. So now you have the option of picking audio, taking something on your camera, doing a voiceover, which is absolutely brilliant if you want to give your video a voiceover. So let's show you how to do that now. So I'm going to click voiceover. And when you're ready to record, you basically just hit the record button. So this is brilliant for those of you who have something you just want to give a voiceover to. So let's give it a go. You ready? You can already see it's picking up my voice. Now I have 2 microphones next to me now. I have my phone that's recording my voice, but I also have my Blue Snowball, which is picking up my voice as well. So I'm going to hit record on my phone. Ready? Just counting me down. Hello, this is my phone recording. I'm recording on my phone. You can see some water just now. And we're supposed to be creating something to do with pirates, because that's the template that I've chosen to create so that everyone can understand how to edit on their mobile phone using iMovie. So it's giving you awesome features now. So you can basically choose to cancel that, retake it, review it, or accept it. So let's click on review. That's going to be one of your main functions. Hello, this is my phone recording. I'm recording on my phone. You can see some water just now. And we're supposed to be creating something to do with pirates, because that's the template that I've chosen. and I can click stop. So that's wicked, that is, because I can retake that or accept it. For now, we're just going to click accept. You can also change the transitions here. So we were going through the basics for you today. So you can go through the transitions here as well. So you can click on that, and instead of it having a dissolve, which you can sample by scrolling backwards and forwards using your thumb, you can actually click on it and you can change it to something else, like a slide, a wipe, a fade, or something themed. So let's go for a fade. So that fades into black before getting to the next shot. You can also play this forward by pressing the play button. Hello, this is my phone. And not only that, you can actually undo the action by hitting the undo button just next to the play button. So that's changed the transition back to what it was before. Now let's click on a clip. I'm going to click on this water here. Now there are a few different options down below. You have your color filter, so you can add a color filter. You can add titles. You can change the audio by the look of it. Let's click the audio. You can turn the audio up or down if it has any audio. You can add other effects, like you can freeze or you can add something. You can also trim, and you can also split. Splitting is wicked. Detaching is basically detaching your audio, I think it is. There you have it, detach the audio. Now I can get rid of that audio as well, can't I? Can I delete that? I can, so I can highlight that audio and I can delete it. So now that has no audio. That's absolutely brilliant. Let's add a filter. So I'm going to click on the filter. Wow. I mean, for a phone editor, there is quite a lot that you can do here. Can you zoom in on the shot? You can pinch to zoom on the shot. Does that keep it that way? Let's press play. Because that's the template it does. That I've chosen to create so that everyone can understand how to edit on their mobile phone. This is iMovie on your phone. This is your iPhone. I wonder if we can actually do any green screen. So in iMovie, you can actually do green screen. I'm going to click on this just here, and then I'm going to click on the adjustments, because I'm assuming that is adjustments right there. So I'm going to click on add. Can't see anything just yet. Let's go into the filters. There's nothing for green screen on filters. Right, so it looks like there are a few limitations when using the application via your mobile phone. But some of the titles are absolutely brilliant. Look, you've got Prism there. You can change that text to whatever you want it to be. Just type to low. Can I move that around the screen? That'd be another one. I know, so it gives you the option center or lower right there. So you can choose center or lower third. So there's quite a lot you can play around with there. Again, you can also split your clips as well. So if we're here and wanting to split this, just click on the actual clip. I'm just getting carried away now because there's quite a lot you can do. And you can just literally click split. And as you can see, that's split those. And then you can delete the one that you don't want. And now you've got a shorter version of the clip. Wow. Okay, so there we have it, guys. That is the basics of editing on your iPhone using iMovie. It's absolutely brilliant. Cannot fault that. You can't really ask for more for editing on your mobile, on your iPhone. There's no excuse nowadays if you don't have a desktop of some sort to be able to edit your videos, because that is absolutely that is awesome. That is, you know, for on your iPhone, there's quite a lot that you can do, especially if you need to do the basics. If you need to do jump cuts, you can do a jump cut. If you need to cut something down, you can cut something down. Detach your audio and delete your audio, you can do that as well. You can add effects to it, and you can add titles, a lower third or a centered title. You can add clips when you need to add clips, and you can also export everything as your finished movie, which I'm going to show you just now. I'm going to press done. I'm not sure if I've got the space on my phone, so it might not work, but let's call it sample. Click done. That's my stomach rumbling, so it's probably time to eat now. And then we have three different options down below. You've got the share button, but you've got this play button here. Now some of my clips are in the cloud. That is something to handle. When your clips are in the cloud, it's actually you can't export it during the project until you've downloaded it from the cloud, which can be a bit of a pain, especially if you've got cloud enabled. So that might be something that you want to remember when you're editing on your mobile phone. If you have your iCloud enabled, you might not be able to export the project when you're done. If you found a way around this, then hit me up in the comment section down below. This is the first time that I've used iMovie on my mobile. Didn't think about that. Gone through the whole video and then realised at the end of the video that some of those clips are actually in the cloud. So you might need to download that before you begin editing. So that's something to remember. Even if I click on the share menu. Oh, okay, hold up. It's allowing me to do it now. Save video. Maybe it's downloaded from the cloud. Okay, here we go. So now I'm onto the share options. You have 3 options on the iPhone that I'm currently on. You have small 360, which is just absolutely just not worth it with YouTube nowadays. You got 540, and you've got your HD 720. Now HD 720 is what is ideal for YouTube, especially when you're trying to grow your channel and stand out. That's the standard. So I'm going to click on 720 HD. Here we go, it's exporting the movie now. What I did there is I clicked the share menu and then I went down to the, not the social media icons, but below the social media icons, and you could save to a video. This movie was exported to your photo library. That's brilliant. So let's have a look. So we're going to go back now. And I'm going to hold Siri. Siri, open photos. I believe it's the last one, so let's have a look. Let's press play. So I'm going to tap on my screen now, and I'm going to scroll along to see if it is the edited movie.
I'm recording on my phone. You can see some water just now, and we're supposed to be creating something to do with pirates because that's the template.
Easy done, absolutely brilliant. There we have it. That is basically the basics of how to edit using iMovie on your iPhone or mobile. Absolutely brilliant. Cannot fault what I've seen so far. We might go into further detail with this. I'm just going to put my phone down and stop the recording now from my phone. So yeah, there we have it, guys. That is how you can edit on your iPhone using iMovie. I've just shown you the basics here. This is our first look, our first take on the application. How do I rate it? I rate it pretty good. It's pretty decent. That's a decent video editor considering it's on a mobile phone. I mean, we are in the future, guys. You are able to do video editing on your mobile phone. There is no excuse now, guys. If you need to do an edit, you can do it. You can do a voiceover to a few pictures or video. There's nothing to stop you because you can talk into your phone. So there we have it, guys. Thank you for watching Anthony Allen Edits. If this has been helpful to you in whatever shape or form and you've enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Love to see you in the next video because I always give away something in some way, shape or form, whether it's knowledge or something that you can use for your video editing or editing in general. Maybe you're editing pictures. I'll be doing that as well if that's something that you want me to look into for you. And yeah, I'd love to see you in the next video here on Anthony Allen Edits. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You do not want to miss a single thing here on this channel. Thank you for watching Anthony Allen Edits, and see you in the next one.